Hello, I am Marcy Olson and I'm coming to you from my very Christmassy home here in Ohio. I'm a wellness advocate on Becky Farron's team and I'm here to show you a very fun DIY project that I think you're gonna love and you're gonna need. Basically what we are making today is a Poopouri Spray. So, there have been those embarrassing times when you have wished you had something that would save you from, those awkward feelings. And today we're going to make a spray that is very easy to use with just a few ingredients. And the way that it works is you just spray it right in the toilet bowl before you go, and then the oils and the dish soap help to seal and hide your business from the air, so you can't smell it after that. So I'm going to tell you the recipe first, and then we'll dig in and make some together. All it takes is a teaspoon of dish soap, a teaspoon of witch hazel. You top it with water. It's a 2-ounce bottle, looks like this. And then you put up to 30 drops of your favorite essential oils in it. So I got my soap from it's the doTERRA kind. So this is the Abode line. And I like it because it already has that really fresh scent in it. So you just combine that with your oils and it is just a really nice smell. So I do recommend that, although any kind of dish soap will do. But you do have to include the dish soap because that's part of the whole process and the magic of the way this works. I got my witch hazel from Amazon. It is just your basic 100% witch hazel. You can also get it at Walgreens or CVS or whatever, but easy to find. And the bottles I got at on Amazon, super easy. Just type in glass spray bottles for essential oils. And then of course we use doTERRA essential oils. Today we're gonna be using Holiday Joy and Holiday Peace, because those two together we diffuse them all the time in our home, but those two together are pretty special around the Christmas holiday. I have a spray bottle right here that has most of the ingredients already in it. I put the dish soap already, the witch hazel, and I topped with water, and I put most of the essential oils, but I just wanted to show you, it's really easy to add them in. I'm gonna add a couple more drops here. I love these so much. And from what I heard, Holiday Joy has sold out, but Holiday Peace is still available. So if you still need to grab those up, you can get them. And then you put the spray top on, and when you use it, just make sure you shake it up before you spray. Also wanted to show you these labels, super cute. What we have named this one is Merry Spritzmas. It's a before you go toilet spray. Really easy to put in stockings, or you can make one for yourself and put it in your purse, or guys, you can put it in your man purse. And we're actually gonna make some of them and put them on the back of our toilets so that everybody in our home can use them. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate for you how this could work. So here you are. You're walking into a bathroom, there's a bunch of stalls, there might be a couple people in there, and you gotta go. So you remember that you have this spray, and you pull it out, and do your little spray, and then sit down, do your business, sploosh, sploosh, and then, so much goodness right there. That's all you smell is the Christmas stuff, and only the Christmas oils. That's it. So it's pretty awesome. All right, well, thank you for joining me. I'm excited for you to try this. It is a great gift that can be for just about anyone, and they'll likely thank you for it. So have a great day and happy DIYing.